Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we have a PR package and guess what? I'm going to open it with you. If you'd like to see what's inside, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
Alright, welcome back. So we are just going to go ahead and dive in and open this package. I've had this package for a minute. As many of you guys know, I purchased myself a she shed and I am just still trying to, you know how you move into a new home and you're just trying to get comfortable? I'm trying to figure out my most comfortable way to film. Yeah, so where I used to film before was definitely a much smaller space than this is, but a lot of those things I didn't bring into my shed, so I'm still trying to figure out how to film and position things without having to like really overcrowd my space. So I really want to utilize my space. It's not just for filming. I have a little couch in here and a little TV, so it's kind of like my little getaway place as well, just when I want to get away from the house and just have some quiet time to myself, glass of wine. And so yeah, so bear with me. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to film and what's the best position to film. Anywho, let's go ahead and open the package and, you know, we can talk about that later. So let's go ahead and find out what's inside. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, looks like it's a full box. Let's go ahead and open. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to dive in one item at a time and we'll find out what's inside together. All right, so the first item I pulled out, and just, well, you guys are going to find out now who the PR company is. And I'll just go ahead and show you so you can see who it is. You can see it's Peach and Lilly. So this product is the Super Boost Resurfacing Mask, Retexturize, Soften, and Glow, AHA, BHA, and Blue Agave. Let's go ahead and open, and they did include a cute little spatula, which is really important because you do not want to contaminate your products. And this looks amazing. Look at this. That looks really nice. I'm really looking forward to using that product. So definitely stay tuned for that. And we're going to go ahead and reach in for another item. Okay, and this item is Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser, Deep Cleanse and Soothe. I just like to look at the packaging. We're definitely going to be reviewing some of these products. You can see the gel cleanser. Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Next item is Glass Skin Refining Serum Luminous Plus Translucent Peach Extract Peptide Complex. You guys know I love serums, right? Cute little pump top, which is really important. That way you can just pump out exactly what you need and not have to tip and dump things out. All right, so let's see what else we have. Next we have the Good Acids Pore Toner. Guys, you see them pores right here? This is always my concern area right here. So really excited to use this. Gently exfoliate and balance the skin. Has AHAs and turmeric. We all know turmeric is really good for the skin. And then the next item I have is Glass Skin Water Gel Moisturizer. Hydrates and calms the skin. Hyaluronic acid, which is really good. Kiwi extract and peach extracts. Kind of want to smell this one. Very light scent, not overpowering. Smells really good. All right, looking forward to using that. I'm noticing the boxes are like color coded. I'm anxious to see if there's something behind that. All right, and then next item I have is Pure Peach Retinoic Eye Cream. and it brightens and tightens. We need that, right? Especially being a beauty over 40. We need to brighten on the eyes and tighten up, help pull those bags up. And that is all that is in this box. All right, so that is all that we received in this package. Again, we have the Good Guys, which is a pure, the Good Acids Pore Toner, and then we have the Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask. Cool, it's like a whole set. So we have from the cleanser to the toner to, let's see, the mask, and then we have the serum, and then the moisturizer, and then the eye cream. That's a whole setup for a great skincare regimen. Again, I'm going to be going into detail with these products, and hopefully the next video you will see I will be doing a deep dive on these products and also using these products. So if you're interested in seeing that video, definitely leave me a comment down below if you're interested in seeing that. If you have any questions, I would love to know if any of you guys have used any of these products and what you thought of them. So leave that information down below as well. And that is it for this video, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRHMAKEUP. And also my second handle on my TikTok is _beauty over 40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.